Page number 66, question 5, sub question 8, 9. Look at it, everyone, be attentive. Last long question remaining in this method. Sudhanshu Limited has purchased one machine for rupees 22,200 on 1/4/2012. Its installation expenses was rupees 1,800. So what will be its total cost? 24,000. 22,200 plus 1,800, 24,000. Another second-hand machine was purchased on 1/10/13. Now this is machine 2. On 1/10/13 for rupees 20,400 and its installation expenses paid rupees 1,200. Every year, company provides depreciation at underline 10% under underline reducing balance method. On 31/3/15, first machine, which machine? First machine was sold at 20% loss of its book value. From the above information, now see what all is as past journal entries for first year. Out of 3 years, journal entry only for first year. Then we will make machinery account for the first 3 years. Since all the journal will not be available, we'll make the machinery account from the workings by using the shortcut. Journal entries will pass only for 1 year. So first we'll make that workings in columnar form. Down workings, machine 1 and machine 2. Okay. Now, Sudhanshu Limited has purchased one machine of 22,200 on 1/4/12. Its installation expense was rupees 1,800. Prince 1/4/12. Purchase 10 minutes late. Kushi, why? Both of you get inside. Purchase of machine 1 21,200. I'm sorry, 22,200. Further Prince plus expenses 1,800. So cost is 24,000. Sit down. Further, another second-hand machine was purchased on 1/10/13 for 20,400 and its installation expenses paid rupees 1,200. Stuti, correct. Sit down. Now, underline the date 1/10/13. When does this year 1/4/12 end? 31/3/13. Which will come first? 31st March 2013 or 1st October 2013? March will come before October. So 31/3/13 we will provide depreciation of 1 full year. So 10% is the rate of depreciation. 24,000's 10%, 2,400. 21,600. 24,000 minus 2,400. So 21,600 will be its book value on 1/4/13. Any confusion in this? All are clear up till here? Decide. Sit down. Correctly written now. When will the year of 1/4/13 end? 31/3/14. So will 31st March 2014 come first or 1st October 2013? 1st October 2013 will come before 2014. So 1st October 2013, now we will record purchase of machine 2 for the amount of 20,400 plus expense of 1,200. So 21,600 will be the cost of machine 2. Did everyone understand this? Yes. Anyone having any doubt up till here? Then further if we read it. Every year company provides depreciation at 10% under reducing balance method. On 31/3/15 the machine was sold at 20% loss on its book value. Uday and Tahir, what is going on in living? Mohit, what next? Yes, 1/4/13 year will end on 31/3/14. Will 31/3/14 come first? Or 31/3/15? 31/3/14. 14 will come before 15. So again on 31/3/14 we will provide depreciation. Mohit, tell me the amounts. Machine 2 how much? How did you get that? Yes, how did you do the homework if this point was covered in the homework? And you got the answers also right, matching with the textbook. Different level of copying altogether. So now, April to March, on first machine we will provide depreciation for full year, and October to March, on second machine we will count depreciation for 6 months. October, November, December, January, February, March. First machine directly 21,600, 10%, reducing balance method, so 2160. If it was straight line method, then what amount we would have written here? 2,400. Then every year the depreciation would remain same. Reducing balance method, so 21,600 into 10%, 2,160. Remaining 1,9,440. Whereas here, because it's for 6 months, so 21,600 into 10% into 6 divided by 12. That comes to 1080. Did you understand this? So the book value will be 20520 on 1/4/14. Any confusions in this? Krupa, you also done homework, but it is done in 3-4 lectures. Consecutively we are doing the same topic. Darshan, always before the year ending and selling it will provide depreciation, then only we will sell it. Yes, Darshan, tell me the amounts. Correct, sit down. Both of you sit down. Now both the machines we have count depreciation for full year. Okay? So 19,400 into 10%, 1944, and remaining 17,496, and 20520 into 10%, 2052, remaining 18,468 will be the book value. Normally when you sell the machine, you count depreciation only on the machine which is sold. Then why did we count on both the machines here? Because the date is year ending. If suppose the machine was sold on, let us say 1/1/15, 1st January 2015, first machine was sold, then you would have counted this depreciation only on machine 1. Because the machine which is unsold, you count only at the end of the year. Okay, that we have done the question numbers in between 5 and 6 was of that time. All are clear with this? Now after that, Karan and Heth don't talk in between. Count the amount and tell me. Minus 20% loss. So 17,496 into 20%, 3,499. And press minus equals to loss, so 13,997 is the selling price. And the story of machine 1 is over. Your answer in the ledger account must come how much? 18,468. Is everyone of you clear with this? What happened? Date likhi, same date it is. 31/3/15 only, everything is taking this. So, is everyone of you clear with this? So, now what I was asked in the question, first year asked to first journal entries only for the first year. How many entries will come in the first year? 3 entries. Why? Only 3 entries. 1 entry of purchase and 2 entries of depreciation. Only 3 entries will come in the first year. Any permutation and combination can be asked in this chapter in exams. You can be asked only journal, you can be asked only ledger, you can be asked only final accounts, journal and ledger, journal and final accounts, ledger and final accounts, anything can be done. Okay, we have seen questions that way only. We have seen everything also in single question, only ledger accounts also, ledger and final also, journal and final also, journal and ledger also. So anything can be asked. Therefore, in the beginning itself, in summary, I made you write all the 3. How to pass the journal, how to make the ledger, and how to make the effects in final accounts. Journal entries in the books of Sudhanshu Limited. 30 seconds for the format, then I'll start. Do it fast. 22,200. So now let's get it. For purchase, the entry will be machinery account debit 24,000. To bank account for the bigger amount 22,200. Into cash account for the expenses 1,800. Right on. Date is 1/4/12. Machinery account debit Machinery comes in, debit what comes in with the total cost of 24,000. To bank account, bank is the giver, credit the giver, bigger amount of 22,200. To cash account, cash goes out, credit what goes out with the expenses of 1,800. Being machinery purchased and expenses paid in cash. Parthiv, next amount, sit down, correct. Now on 31,313, two entries for depreciation will come. First, depreciation to machinery. 31,313, depreciation account debit. Depreciation is an expense, debit on expenses and losses 2,400. Okay, and value of machinery goes down. It's a debit balance. To decrease it, we reverse and credit it to machinery account 2,400. Is everyone clear with this? B, depreciation provided on machine at the rate of 10% by RB. Then done the next entry? Yes, correct. Now on 31,313, depreciation will be closed and transferred to profit and loss account. So profit and loss account debit 2,400 to depreciation account 2,400. Okay, depreciation is a debit balance. To close it, we reverse and credit 2,400 and we transfer it to profit and loss account. So P&L account debit. B, depreciation account transferred to profit and loss account. So 28,800 is the total. And what else is asked in the question? We are asked to make machinery account. So ledger of Sudhanshu Limited, machinery account. Do it fast everyone, 30 more seconds. Now since we have made journal only for 1 year, so it's better that we make the ledger directly from the workings. Okay, because all the 3 years they will not be able to do from journal. Otherwise it's preferable that if you make the journal completely, then do the ledger and posting from journal. Correct. Purchase and profit, PP on debit side, everything else on credit side. So on 1,412, purchase will come on the debit side for bigger amount 22,200 to bank account and for smaller amount 1,800 to cash account. Gaurav, next. The journal entry is passed. What will we get in machinery on credit side? Only by depreciation account. And what amount? 2,400. So now depreciation will come on credit side 31,313 by depreciation account 2,400. Did everyone understand this? Then Vrishti after that. After 31st March depreciation we have to do balancing. How will we do? Debit side total 24,000 both the sides. Yes, on 31,313 by balance carried down 24,000 minus 2,400, 21,600. Then Vrund, to balance. Opposite side 1,413, to balance brought down 21,000. Correct. Now on 1,1013 again purchase will come on the debit side, purchase and profit debit side. So 1,1013 to bank account 20,400 and to cash account 1,200. Get 24,600. Okay, this is 22,200, sir. Yes, now after 1,1013, Tahir, what amount? How do you get that? Which two figures are added? Which two figures are added? Tell me. Which two figures are added? What are the amounts which are added? And
1,080.
add them. So now 31,314 depreciation will again come on credit side by depreciation account. Both the machines depreciation 2,160 plus 1,080, so 3,240. Is everyone clear up till here? Then with the after that. Again after 31st March balancing, how will we do? 43,200 is debit side total. That will come on both the sides. 43,200 minus 3,240, 3,960. So 31,314 by balance carried down. Is everyone clear with this? Then Anuj, to balance brought down. So on opposite side 1,414, to balance brought down 3,960. Then Dinky, Correct. So now again 31,315. Yes, what is going on there, Fenel? When I am doing on the board, then let everyone concentrate on that only. 31,315, again there is depreciation, the total of these two amounts will come. So credit side 31,315 by depreciation account, the amounts are 1944 plus 2052 3996. Did everyone understand this? Then Niyati after that. Correct. Now of loss and selling price, which one will be recorded first always? Selling. After you sell, then only the loss will be incurred. So first selling price. Purchase debit side, sale will come on the credit side. 31,315. For sale we will write by bank account. And as we can see, the selling price is 13,997. Did everyone understand this? And Santani? Yes, again same date there is a loss. Profit debit side, loss will come on credit side. So again on credit side 31,315 by profit and loss account in bracket loss 3499. Did everyone understand this? Now again we'll do the balancing. So 39,960. Now if we do 39,960 minus 3996 minus 13,997 and minus 3499. 18,468. 31,315 by balance carried down, and opposite side 1,415 to balance brought down 18,468, and this should match with the book value here 18,468. Okay, did you understand this? In exams, last thing, even if you don't do the balancing, directly write this. 18,468, directly write it in the balance. Okay, even if it doesn't match, in case you write it down and come. Is everyone clear with this? So, anyone having any doubt in this? The long questions are all over. 2 short questions are remaining, that also we finished. Look at page 65, question 3. Page 65. Question number 3. In that first and fourth we have done. Second, third and fifth is remaining. Look at second question be rendered. One machine was purchased on 1/4/13 for rupees 30,000. Depreciation on machine is charged at 10% under reducing balance method. Write the journal entry for depreciation and line on 31,315. So we'll make the workings up till 31,315, and for that we'll pass 2 entries. Journal entry for depreciation means depreciation to machinery and profit and loss to depreciation. So we'll make the workings up till that first page. All of you start doing the workings. From 1/4/13 make it up till 31,315. Yes, be rendered. 1/4/13 we have purchased machine of 30,000. The year will end on 31/3/14 minus depreciation. The rate is 10%, so 30,000's 10% is 3,000. 27,000 will be the book value on 1/4/14, and 31,315 again. Depreciation 27,000's 10%, 2,700. 24,300 will be its book value on 1/4/15. We are interested in this amount only because we have to pass the journal entry for depreciation on 31,315. So for this 2,702 entries will come. Is everyone clear with this? Journal entries in the books of ... So on 31,315, first what entry we will pass? Depreciation account debit to machinery account, and what amount? 2,700. Depreciation account debit to machinery account 2,700. What narration would you write? Being depreciation at the rate of 10% by RBI. And then 31,315 profit and loss account debit to depreciation account 2,700. And here what narration you write? Being depreciation account transferred to profit and loss account. Okay, complete it first. Yes, completed everyone. Anyone still writing it? Raise your hand. And anyone not clear with this? Yes, anyone still solving it? Now look at question number 3. On 1/4/14, book value of machine was 34,000. Depreciation is calculated at the rate of 20%. Be careful, it's not always 10%. 20% under reducing balance method. This machine was sold at 35% profit on book value and then on 39/14. From this information, write the journal entry and then for sale of machine. Only one journal entry will pass for the sale of machine, but then working will have to be done to find out the profit, etc. So 1/4/14. What is the book value of the machine? 34,000. Did you all understand this? Then Prachi, after that, which is the rate of depreciation? Read it carefully. That is a profit. And tell me which 7 months you get. Wrong. You are counting the depreciation after selling the machine. So much time to calculate the period. April to September, 6 months. And even if you count 10 to 1, 2, 3, it comes to 3 months and 3 months, 6 months only, not 7 months. Coincidentally, it's 39/14, such a date that you count before or after, both the ways it will come 6 months. So you will not make a mistake even by chance. Yes, 39/14, April to September is a period of 6 months. April, May, June, July, August and September. So how will you count it, Prachi? Yes, that is 3,400. 34,000 into 20% into 6 divided by 12, 30,000, 3,400. So 30,600 is its book value at the time of sale. So then Agarwal, what will you do after that? Pratna, why 31,315? We are selling on 39,14 only. Simply plus profit. Okay. How will we count that? 30,600 into 35%. What does that come to? 10,710. So 41,310 is the selling price. Now raise your hand. What combined entry will you pass for sale? Only sales journal entries to be written. So what journal entry will you pass for selling the machine? Correct. Bank account debit with the selling price of 41,310. That much amount will receive, it will be deposited in the bank. So bank is the receiver, debit the receiver. Machinery of 30,600 goes out. So to machinery account credit what? Goes out. And 10,710 is our profit, credit all incomes and gains. So to profit on sale of machine 10,710. Similar question we did 7th question in the class, 7th or 8th. Small question. Yesterday itself we did, and I told you that you'll pass the entry, combined entry for profit and sale and loss. Okay, so that we will pass here. Only one journal entry will come. Journal entry in the books of ... Only one entry is asked for sale of machine. So on the date of 39/14, bank account debit. Bank is the receiver, debit the receiver with the selling price of 41,310. Machine goes out, credit what goes out to machinery account with the book value of 30,600 and profit of 10,710, credit or incomes and gains. So profit on sale of machine account 10,710. Did anyone understand this? Anyone having any doubt in it? Being machinery sold at 35% profit. Okay, being machinery sold at 35% profit. Question 5, mark it, very important question. I'll discuss it and raise your hand. You can tell me how will we get the amount. 5 is important and that first question is also important. Yes, anyone still writing this? Raise your hand. Look at 5th question. Sarvesh Limited has purchased a machine on 1/4/13 by charging depreciation at the rate of 10% under reducing balance method, and then 3,240 is recorded as depreciation on 31,315 and then reducing balance method also. Determine the cost price of the machine. Raise your hand. How will you do this? How will you find the cost price of the machine? No one. How will you get the cost price of the machine? Very bad. No one has a logical reasoning in the class. Put your pens down, be attentive. Yes, Kajal? No, that's wrong. You not apply the formula D upon C into 100. This is not straight line method, this is reducing. So you don't count depreciation on cost price, you count it on book value. And what is asked is cost price. Put a page down period of everyone. On which date was the machine purchased?
1/4/13.
Suppose on 1/4/13 the cost price is 100. Now 31/3/14. What is the rate of depreciation? So 100's 10% will be 10 rupees. Book value will be 90 on 1/4/14. Then on 31/3/15, again the depreciation will be 90's 10%, 9, and book value will be 81 on 1/4/15. Now, the depreciation which you are given in the question 3240 is on which date? 31/3/15. This one. Now you will say that when on 31/3/15 the depreciation is 9 rupees, then the cost price is 100. When on 31/3/15 the depreciation is 9, then the cost price is 100. So if the depreciation on 31/3/15 is 3240, what would be its cost price? 3240 into 100 divided by 9. 36,000 will be its cost price. Did you understand this? No entry etc. is asked. Only you have to find the cost price of the machine. Okay, this can come for 2 marks in your exams. Market is very important. So everyone is clear how to find this? You have to assume the cost price as 100. And then by reducing balance method, find out what would be the depreciation on 31/3/15. Then simply compare it. Depreciation with the cost price and you get it. So any doubts in this? Now only one method is left, provision for depreciation method. Last 2 examples 10, 11 are based on that. Generally it would not come in exams, but since it is there in your textbooks, I'll cover it up. Tomorrow we'll finish this chapter. Okay. In which school straight away they have not done 10 and 11 and omitted it? Mothers and ages and convent and Shabri. Okay. Anyway, you people also attend for that because workings would remain similar, and moreover it will help you in one of the concepts in 12th standard. So gaining the knowledge will help you in future, even if you don't have any syllabus. Simran and Niyati, if important things are over. Okay, so all of you should attend for that. Your homeworks you will note it down. I think until illustration 12 everything is done. 13 is also done. So note down homework illustration 14, 15, 16, 19.